All right, so I wrote down a few things that I thought, to me, and someone's already mentioned the gratitude dare. I took the gratitude dare, and I think we originally got it from Krista Thornock, if I'm correct. No, someone shared it with us at the training. But I put it on so that I could cut it in half, and so they had one big enough to put in their journal. And by the way, I had every one of my students know whether they were written or oral English write a journal entry every day. And some of them griped about it in their journal entries, but then towards the end of the semester, they were all writing like full pages, and it was they thought it was the most valuable thing that they did. Because oral English has to be supported by the written and what they read, and all of it just really is intertwined. So it's very important that they all wrote in a journal. But I did do the gratitude dare, and I actually have a student who, and they all had to report on it in class orally. And one student actually said that there was a point in the semester, or toward the beginning of the semester, that she didn't think that life was worth living anymore, and she was ready to be done with it. And so, but she said that she started doing the gratitude dare, and she realized that she had so much to be grateful for. I've also had students come to me with saying, I'm so depressed, you know, I've got all these bad things in my life, and I said, well, you need to write about what you're grateful for every day. And so they've all been doing that, and I told them all that next semester we're doing it again. And they all went, but anyway, it's all good. Probably the most valuable thing. Also, one of the things that I feel very strongly about for my students anyway is having them understand that we are more alike than we are different. And so when I talk about things that are, I tell them about one of our customs or holidays, and I say, tell me about your holidays. What are you excited about? And they're, and I say, it's just like us. You're just like us. And one student said that she felt that was really